What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping into another round of our under 10-minute AI coding app build series, and this one's going to blow your mind. We're building a full app in just one prompt using Promptables Pro. Yeah, seriously, one prompt. The Promptables Spark tool takes your idea and it turns it into a complete full stack build in seconds. Then we'll drop that straight into Greta or any other AI coding app like Lovable, Replit, or Cursor. Alright, if we're finishing this in under 10 minutes, let's make this happen. This app that we're going to build today is going to be a browser app that records short audio clips and then saves them for you so that you can play it back. Now I'm going to call the app Vorder for Voice Memo Recorder, and what I've done is I've already created a short, it's not a detailed app, and what we're going to do is we are going to paste this into Promptable Spark and we're going to allow it to ask us some questions, and we're going to get a full stack prompt to be able to put into Greta, our AI coding app. So we've got the app name is Vorder. We want to create a browser app that records short audio clips using the browser's media recorder API. We want to provide record, stop, play, delete buttons. We want to save recordings locally, and we want them to persist offline. Mostly users will record voice memos. The max recording is going to be 1 minute, and the output will be just a simple list. You're going to be able to rename the recording, delete it, and then maybe add some notes to it in the description. And we only want a basic playback because we want this to be fairly simplistic, but we want a visual feedback when the recording is actually happening. So let's see what Promptables has to say about that, and I'm sure it'll ask us a few questions. Okay, so they're asking about the design experience. Let's see. I'm thinking of something like pulsing record button. Let's just do a simple animated indicator. Let's just say simple animated indicator. Okay, so let's put that in there. Blue-green color scheme. So we're just going to say blue-green color scheme. No shading. Okay. Functionality. Should users be able to add these while recording or after? So we're going to say after. And Promptables is smart. You don't have to put in the full thing. It just knows that's what you want. Play, pause. Yeah, we just want play and pause. Okay. Audio format. And then we'll say you decide the rest. You decide the rest. And Promptables, super smart. It's going to pick the best outcomes for you, for sure. We'll put a comment in there. So let's see what it does for us. It should spit out a prompt for us as we speak. Okay, everything they need. So we are now going to get the prompt. Alright, so Promptables has spit out our prompt. It's asking us if we want to put this into GitHub. In almost all AI coding apps, you can import from GitHub to put it in there, whether that's what you want to do. Typically, we would do that with Promptables Canvas for your design documents, as well as your blueprint for your PRD, so that you can put those all together and then import all the documents as one. But since this is just a simple app, we are just going to go through the actual prompt. So it says it's called Vorder. I want to build a browser-based voice memo recording app that helps users quickly capture and organize their thoughts in short audio recordings. It should feel clean and intuitive and be optimized for web browsers with offline functionality. Okay, so it's going to give us the target audience. The target audience is always important. AI coding apps take that sort of context and they really build the app around this sort of context. And then we're going to have the recording interface, the audio management list, so it's going to say how to do that list. We've got the recording controls, how to do the offline storage, then it's going to give a simple text stack. And here it's given us some design preferences. Once again, you could take this whole prompt and paste it into Canvas and it's going to give you a real detailed design document. But we'll keep it simple for this video. It's going to talk about some tech requirements, so media recorder API integration, index, database, and then it's going to give us the user flow, right? How do you want to run through the app? Spark is just so smart. So this is a good enough prompt, I think. So all we're going to do is we're just going to take this prompt. What we could do, I'm going to copy it. What we could do is you could save it as a markdown, a PDF, a doc, or a text doc. But we're just going to copy, and let's go over to Greta, and we're simply going to paste that prompt into Greta, and we are going to start to build it. And then Greta is going to build it out, and we'll see what it gives us. Okay, so Greta has spit out our app, and you can see we have a preview here. Now we've got record and then recording section, border, we're ready to record, max 1 minute, so that's good. Let's see what it does. Let's test this out. Actually, no, before we do that, let's deploy it. So we can deploy this app now in Greta. We deploy to Netlify, free. Absolutely free. We're going to copy that. We'll copy the URL. I'm going to paste that in there. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay. It does look like, you know, sort of what it looked like in the preview. So let's test this out. Okay, so first of all, it asks, you know, so smart. It asks, can we get access to your microphone? Sure. So let's see. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we stop it. So now it's going to let us do a title. Test. Test. Okay. We can save the recording. All right. So now it just goes back. Do we want to record another one? Let's say test 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll call this test 2. All right, we'll save that. Okay, we got test 1 and test 2, so we'll see if this works. Sure. Let's see. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 3, 4, 5. All right, seems to work. Let's see if we can edit it. Yeah, we can edit the title and the description. Can we delete? Let's delete test 2. All right, delete test 2. Delete test. Go back to record, and we can record again. So there you go. In way under 10 minutes, we just developed a complete app that's really going to be handy for you. And I'll tell you what, I am going to put the URL of this app in the description as well. And there you go, another full app built in just one prompt with Promptables Pro and Greta. And I've also put the links in the description. And don't forget, Promptables is totally free. So head to promptables.pro and start creating your own apps right now. If you like this build, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share it with your friends. and I'll see you in the next under 10-minute AI build.